Okay, so let's build CMake directly from source. And this is something I always find myself having to do whenever I either move to a new operating system, for example, in Debian, and the CMake version on it is kind of backward, and I need or I want to use the current version of CMake. So it's really simple to do, really easy and simple to do. So let's just do that within 2 minutes. So first, let's go to the CMake website and download the CMake source files. And they also have binaries and all that, but I like to build it. I like to build it from source myself. So, for example, I can specify whatever weird flags or anything that I also need to do. So I'll just do that, and here's the CMake file that's downloaded. I'll just unzip that there and go there from the terminal. So cd downloads cd CMake, and from the CMake website, where I'm getting the instructions from is from this website where it says CMake install, and you find the instructions here, especially for Linux build. So you can do this in two ways. If you already have CMake installed, you can follow this, but most of the time I don't have CMake installed on whatever operating system that I am compiling it from. And you already have to have build essentials on your Linux box that you're doing that on. That's zoomed already. So just do bootstrap, and that'll get everything it needs. And once it's done that, as you can see here, just make and you do sudo make install. This one you only have to add sudo at the back of that, but yeah. Okay, now that that's done, you can just run make it J4, and that should run everything in parallel instead of running it in series. Alright, now that that's done, you will want to run sudo make install. But since I already have it and I'm just throwing this whole thing for the sake of a tutorial, I wouldn't be doing that. I should be able to find the bin directory, which is where the the executables are compiled into, and you can see CMake sh. There you have it. You compiled CMake. Alright, have a nice one.